Welcome to Decor Studio. In today's video, we're unveiling 15 luxurious modern industrial-style living room designs, each featuring stunning TV units and cabinets. These concepts blend raw industrial elements like exposed brick and steel with plush furnishings and elegant details, creating bold yet inviting spaces. From sleek urban lofts to opulent lounges, these designs elevate contemporary living with sophistication and comfort. Perfect for anyone seeking a stylish, modern retreat, this video will inspire your next decor project. Like, subscribe, and share your favorite concept in the comments. Let's dive into these breathtaking designs. Idea number 1. Urban Loft Elegance. The Urban Loft Elegance living room blends industrial grit with luxurious sophistication. Exposed brick walls and polished concrete floors set a raw backdrop, softened by plush velvet armchairs in deep navy. A sleek TV unit in blackened steel, with open shelves and walnut accents, anchors the space. The TV cabinet, with minimalist lines and frosted glass doors, exudes modernity. Statement pendant lights in brushed brass cast a warm glow, creating a cozy yet edgy ambience. The room feels bold, refined, and inviting, balancing rugged textures with elegant details for a striking, contemporary retreat. Idea number 2. Refined Factory Chic. Refined Factory Chic transforms industrial roots into luxurious comfort. Reclaimed wood beams and dark steel accents frame the room, paired with smooth leather sofas in charcoal gray. The TV unit, a sleek blend of matte black metal and smoked oak, features asymmetrical shelving for a modern edge. A matching TV cabinet with sliding panels adds functionality and style. Soft ambient lighting from recessed fixtures enhances the warm, inviting feel. The space feels sophisticated yet grounded, with a harmonious mix of raw materials and elegant finishes, creating a luxurious haven with an industrial soul. Idea number 3. Metallic Luxe Haven. The Metallic Luxe Haven living room exudes modern opulence with industrial flair. Polished steel beams and concrete walls create a stark canvas, softened by creamy suede sectional sofas. A glossy black TV unit with chrome trim and open shelving stands out, paired with a low-profile TV cabinet in mirrored glass. Sculptural floor lamps in copper add warmth and drama. The space feels sleek and luxurious, with reflective surfaces and bold textures creating a dynamic yet cohesive atmosphere. This design marries industrial strength with elegant refinement, offering a glamorous yet comfortable living experience. Idea number 4. Rustic Industrial Glow. Rustic Industrial Glow blends raw textures with luxurious warmth. Distressed brick walls and weathered oak floors set a cozy tone, complemented by deep green velvet lounge chairs. A robust TV unit in rusted steel with reclaimed wood shelves anchors the space, paired with a TV cabinet featuring sliding barn doors. Edison bulb chandeliers cast a soft, golden light, enhancing the inviting feel. The room feels rich and grounded, with a perfect balance of rugged industrial elements and elegant comfort, creating a timeless living space that's both bold and serenely luxurious. Idea number 5. Sleek Warehouse Retreat. The sleek warehouse retreat living room reimagines industrial style with modern elegance. Smooth concrete walls and black steel beams create a minimalist backdrop, accented by plush taupe sofas. A streamlined TV unit in matte white with integrated lighting highlights the space, paired with a glossy black TV cabinet with hidden storage. Geometric pendant lights in gold add a touch of glamour. The room feels open, sophisticated, and serene, with clean lines and luxurious materials blending industrial austerity with inviting warmth, offering a contemporary living space that's both stylish and effortlessly comfortable. Idea number 6. Opulent Urban Nest. Opulent Urban Nest elevates industrial design with luxurious touches. Exposed ductwork and raw concrete floors contrast with sumptuous burgundy leather armchairs. A bold TV unit in brushed steel with marble inlays commands attention, complemented by a sleek TV cabinet with rosewood veneer. Crystal chandeliers add a layer of decadence, casting soft light across the room. The space feels grand yet intimate, with rich textures and refined details creating a harmonious blend of industrial edge and elegant comfort, making it a perfect retreat for modern, luxurious living. Idea number 7. Timeless industrial charm. Timeless industrial charm combines rugged beauty with luxurious sophistication. Red brick walls and dark oak floors create a warm foundation, paired with creamy linen sofas. A sturdy TV unit in weathered steel with open shelving adds character, matched with a TV cabinet featuring matte black panels. Vintage-inspired floor lamps in bronze cast a cozy glow. The room feels inviting and elegant, with a seamless blend of industrial textures and refined furnishings, offering a living space that's both nostalgic and contemporary, perfect for serene yet stylish relaxation. Idea number 8. Polished Urban Sanctuary. Polished Urban Sanctuary redefines industrial luxury with sleek elegance. Smooth plaster walls and polished concrete floors set a refined tone, complemented by midnight blue velvet sofas. A minimalist TV unit in brushed aluminum with walnut drawers anchors the space, paired with a glossy white TV cabinet with clean lines. Orb-shaped pendant lights in silver add a modern touch. The room feels airy and sophisticated, with a balance of cool industrial elements and warm, luxurious textures, creating a serene and stylish living space that's perfect for contemporary urban living. Idea number 9. Grit and Glamour Lounge. The Grit and Glamour Lounge fuses industrial rawness with luxurious flair. Exposed concrete walls and steel beams contrast with plush emerald green armchairs. A bold TV unit in blackened steel with glass shelves stands out, paired with a TV cabinet in high-gloss black with gold accents. Art Deco-inspired chandeliers cast a warm, dramatic glow. The space feels vibrant and opulent, with a dynamic interplay of rugged textures and glamorous details, creating a living room that's both edgy and inviting, perfect for those who crave a bold, luxurious aesthetic. Idea number 10. Modern Forge Elegance. Modern Forge Elegance blends industrial strength with refined luxury. Weathered brick walls and ebony wood floors create a moody backdrop, softened by creamy leather sofas. A sleek TV unit in matte charcoal with integrated shelving anchors the space, paired with a TV cabinet in smoked glass and steel. Industrial-style pendant lights in copper add warmth. The room feels sophisticated and cozy, with a perfect balance of raw materials and elegant furnishings, offering a luxurious living space that's both bold and inviting, ideal for modern, serene relaxation. Idea number 11. Industrial Opulence Hub. Industrial Opulence Hub reimagines industrial style with lavish elegance. Exposed steel beams and concrete walls are softened by plush ochre velvet sofas. A luxurious TV unit in rosewood with brass inlays commands attention, paired with a sleek TV cabinet in matte black with mirrored panels. Sculptural floor lamps in gold add a glamorous touch. The space feels rich and inviting, with a harmonious blend of industrial grit and opulent details, creating a living room that's both striking and comfortable, perfect for those seeking a bold yet serene urban retreat. Idea number 12. Urban Atelier Glow. Urban Atelier Glow combines industrial minimalism with luxurious warmth. Raw concrete walls and reclaimed wood floors set a textured foundation, paired with soft gray linen armchairs. A modern TV unit in brushed steel with open oak shelving anchors the space, complemented by a TV cabinet in matte white with geometric patterns. Industrial cage lights in bronze cast a cozy glow. The room feels sleek and inviting, with a balance of rugged textures and refined elegance, offering a contemporary living space that's both stylish and serenely comfortable for modern living. Idea number 13. Luxe Foundry Lounge. Luxe Foundry Lounge elevates industrial design with luxurious sophistication. Exposed brick walls and dark steel accents create a bold backdrop, softened by plush teal velvet sofas. A sleek TV unit in matte black with marble accents stands out, paired with a TV cabinet in smoked oak with brass handles. Statement pendant lights in silver add a modern edge. The space feels vibrant and elegant, with a seamless blend of industrial textures and opulent furnishings, creating a living room that's both dynamic and inviting, perfect for stylish, serene relaxation. Idea number 14. Polished Grit Retreat. Polished Grit Retreat merges industrial rawness with luxurious comfort. Smooth concrete walls and blackened steel beams contrast with creamy suede armchairs. A minimalist TV unit in glossy white with integrated storage anchors the space, paired with a TV cabinet in walnut with sliding panels. Geometric floor lamps in brass add warmth and style. The room feels sleek and cozy, with a balance of rugged industrial elements and refined elegance, creating a living space that's both modern and inviting, ideal for those seeking a sophisticated yet comfortable urban sanctuary. Idea number 15. Refined Urban Forge. Refined urban forge blends industrial strength with luxurious serenity. Exposed ductwork and weathered oak floors set a rugged tone, softened by plush navy linen sofas. A bold TV unit in blackened steel with open shelving anchors the space, paired with a TV cabinet in high-gloss black with chrome accents. The room feels sophisticated and inviting, with a harmonious mix of industrial textures and elegant details, creating a living space that's both striking and comfortable, perfect for modern, luxurious urban living. That's all the ideas for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ideas like this.